a liquid solution added to the diesel fuel tank, which prevents the filter from becoming filled with soot deposits. The product's active ingredients make particulate matter burn at lower temperatures, not allowing the filter to block. Using the JLM DPF ReGen Plus makes DPF regeneration intervals longer, and when regeneration is inevitable, the product enhances efficiency of the process. In order to achieve best results, use JLM Diesel DPF ReGen Plus regularly. Make a habit of adding 250 ml of ReGen Plus every time you fill up your diesel fuel tank. It is particularly recommended for cars that cover short distances and travel at low speeds, as they are most prone to DPF blocking. Use JLM Diesel DPF ReGen Plus to maintain your diesel particulate filter in as new condition and avoid costly repairs. Ask your local dealer about this innovative product today.